What is Shopify and how does it work? Shopify is basically an e-commerce website. So if you have something to sell, for example, a course or a couple of products, homemade products, digital products, things like that, the thing is you go to Shopify and you don't go to Amazon or eBay or things like that if you want to be professional. With Shopify, you can create your own website and your own system of selling instead of just booking to the Amazon or eBay things, right? Now, how does it work? How about I do a live demonstration right now? So for example, I'm in shopify.com here, right? And I want to start a free trial. I'm just going to click on the free button here, free trial here. Now let's just wait for this to load. Now once here, you can sign up with a email, right? And you can get 3 days free and then 3 months for only $1 per month. You can sign up with any one of these methods. I'm just going to sign up with email here. I'm just going to tap on sign up with email. Now sign up with email for demonstration's sake. I'm just going to use a temporary email like this. And I'm going to tap in this here. I'm going to put in my password. Now, the idea behind Shopify is that you can create extremely professional website with only a couple of drag and drop features, right? I'm going to show you shortly what that looks like. But let's just log in here real quick. Now, once here, I'm just going to skip the customized setup so we can get to the video more faster here. So let's just wait for all of this to load. Now, once the setup is complete, you'll see a dashboard like this. It might be a little intimidating at first, but I promise you it's pretty simple. Now, what did I mean earlier from just a drag and drop feature and you can make a professional looking website? Let's see. So from the sales channel here, we can go to online store. Now on online store, we can go to themes here, right? Now on themes, let's just wait for this to load. Now on here, you can see this is the default theme right now. The default theme basically means it's just a default website. So let's just click on customize here so I can show you how it works. Now you can see this is my Shopify website here, right? Now this is what it will look like. Now seeing this, you might think, oh, this might need a lot of coding and it might need a lot of assets or things like that. No, it doesn't need all of those things here. For example, I want to add something here, right? On the image banner section here, I want to add a section. I just need to tap on this button to add a section. And for example, I want to add something like a collapsible content, email sign up, contact form, things like that. It's very easy. I just have to tap on this email sign up. For example, I want to add email sign up and you can see it'll just add it just like that. So this is the core of how Shopify works. You sell things and then it makes it really easy for you to actually do a professional website and sell things from your own terms rather than going to Amazon or eBay. Of course, there's some caveats to this method as well. Shopify will inevitably take a couple percentage of your earnings as well. But this is of course to be expected. So if this seems like a good thing for you and you seem like you want to go ahead and go with Shopify, then head on over to shopify.com to get started.